The earliest men lived in caves, did not know how to cultivate crops, and survived mainly by bunting food. They used stone tools and implements. Scholars refer to this period as the Palaeolithic Age, or the Old Stone Age. It is called so because men only knew how to use implements made of stone. They did not use metal. Early men were wanderers who moved in groups from one place to another in search of food and shelter. Since they did not know how to cultivate crops, they ate off the trees and plants and indulged in hunting. That is why historians refer to them as hunter-gatherers. They hunted wild animals, caught fish and birds, and gathered fruits, roots, nuts, seeds, leaves, and eggs. Early man moved on foot from one place to another. Once all the food was exhausted at one place, he moved to a different one. Archaeologists have found many stone tools used by these people. These tools were used for various purposes like hunting animals, digging for roots, chopping fruits, scraping the bark of trees, and obtaining hides of animals. Most of the tools were made from limestone since it was locally available. Some tools were also made of bone. The discovery of fire people were familiar with the use of fire. It was used for cooking, protection against cold and wind, and to scare away wild animals. At night, a fire was lit at the entrance of caves to keep wild animals at bay. The discovery of fire is regarded as a major achievement of early man since it made a significant difference to his life. It is believed that the discovery of fire was accidental. Early man made fire by striking together two pieces of stone, which created a spark. This spark, when brought in contact with dry leaves and twigs, burst into a flame. Being stronger, posed a threat to the life of early man. He was ill-equipped to defend himself against them. Hence, early man was afraid of wild animals. He protected himself from these creatures by hiding in caves or using crude weapons against them. But the most effective means of defense against wild animals was fire. Shelter. Early men either lived in caves or under trees. Caves provided shelter from rain, heat, and wind. Such shelters are also known as habitation sites. In India, natural caves and rock shelters have been found in areas close to the Narmada Valley, like the Vindhyas and the Deccan Plateau. Mari habitation sites of early man have paintings on the walls depicting wild animals, drawn with much finesse. A large number of tools have been discovered. These were perhaps habitation-cum-factory sites. A national daily reported that the Chhattisgarh Department of Archaeology and Culture planned to approach NASA and ISRO for research on 10,000-year-old rock paintings. They claimed that prehistoric paintings found in the Karama region of Kanker district resembled aliens and UFOs shown in Hollywood movies.